how's it going? It's John Krause. If your first time, welcome. If you're returning, thank you. Really excited about Hector and his understanding of progression. It was so exciting to see him getting into this. And the difference of this climb was that we were actually just stretching and warming up at the same time, not worrying about rushing through. So it was really great. It was intense in the focus, but taking your time and getting warmed up. And it's funny because I did this climb and it was my second go. I went from the V4 section and the lower section, and Hector walked in and he was like, dude, you're sweating. You never sweat.
Nice. Come on. Good control. We got this, Hector. Come on.
So I did the same thing. So anyway, really excited for Hector.
Nice, dude. Come on. Nice, good control. You got this. Woo! Good job, dude.
Is that awesome? Yeah.
Feel good?
Yeah.
He did a great job, and I was, it was indescribable. It was great for him. Really proud of his efforts and to see his progression. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.
Come on. Woo! Good go, dude. Come on, Hector. You got this. Yes! Yeah, come on! Oh! Awesome, dude!
Yeah.
Woo!
Got it.
Good, dude! That was wicked!
Is that awesome? Did you see the progress in each one, right?